Ablution in times of difficulty. The last action mentioned in the main hadith under discussion, which erases sins, is ablution in difficult situations. Ablution erasing sins is advised in many hadiths. For example, a hadith found in Sahih Muslim, number 577, advises that the minor sins one commits are erased with the water used for ablution. Performing ablution in difficult situations includes those occasions which are displeasing to do so. For example, if one is afflicted with a calamity, to remain patient and perform ablution and the prayer correctly can be difficult. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 153.
O you who have believed, seek help through patience and prayer.
Difficult situations can include performing ablution in cold temperatures and when one is sick. Anything difficult performed for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted, will always be rewarded greatly. Chapter 9 at Tawbah, verse 120.
That is because they are not afflicted by thirst or fatigue or hunger in the cause of Allah, but that it is registered for them as a righteous deed.
This is an important point to remember, as it will inspire one to always perform righteous deeds, no matter how difficult they may be. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.